Welcome to my garden. Today's video, I wanted to take a minute at the end of the year to pull together some of my favorite scenes from the garden this year. We've been restoring this garden in Zone 7B. We're outside the DC metro area. This garden was a blank slate 3 years ago. There was nothing here but dirt. We started with a design and then began planting. We have planted every single plant except the large trees. We had those brought in to help us out. We've been adding compost, mulch, and fertilizer throughout the years to really help the garden thrive and develop. What I love most about this garden is that I was able to plant it with all my favorite flowers and plants since I was able to start it from scratch. I also made the decision that if I don't like something or it's not thriving, it gets kicked out of the garden. I don't have a lot of space, and I really want this garden to be something that I can enjoy throughout all the seasons of the year. I also really love that we kept part of the garden in full sun. I was tempted to plant a lot more trees, which I love, but with such a small English-style garden, I wanted to leave room for some of my favorite sun-loving plants like dahlias and other cut flowers. I also love this little back section that you just saw, which is our magical shade garden. We've just started developing that, and it is so beautiful. We love it. The garden, of course, is growing, changing, and evolving, just like me. I wish you a wonderful holiday season, and I truly look forward to sharing more of my garden with you through this channel and on my Instagram page in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy just seeing a little bit of the garden when it was in bloom and as it changes season. Thanks for watching.